Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll explain a cool trick of Google Assistant which is pretty useful. I'm sure if you watch this video till the end, you will also feel that this tip or trick will be really useful to you in your daily life. So, all that I request is please do hit this like for this video, just one like, and share it to your friends and relatives so that it may be useful to others too. So for example, when we think of lot of actions to do in a day, sometimes we forget few things to do in that particular time. For example, if you want to wish someone at a particular time, or if you want to meet someone, we'll keep reminders on the phone. But with Google Assistant, just with a voice note, we can do that. I'll show you. Okay Google, remember. Okay Google, remember that I have to prepare lunch for 6 members today at 2 p.m.
Okay,
Okay,
I'll
I'll
remind you
remind you
today at
today at
2
2
p.m.
p.m.
Okay Google, also ring the alarm at 2 p.m. See here, if you observe in the above example, I just made an example reminder like that. Means I have to do or prepare lunch for someone, 6 members at 2 p.m. That is not exactly the case. That may be different in your case. Whatever the reminder may be, you can ask Google Assistant to remember for you that one, and it just will notify you with a notification at the stop notification bar. And along with that, I also said that ring the alarm at 2 p.m. So for my convenience, I'll just do this at 9:50 now, so that you will also get to know how it works. Okay Google, remember that I need to attend online class at 9:50 a.m. today.
Got
Got
it.
it.
I'll
I'll
remind you
remind you
today at
today at
9:50
9:50
a.m.
a.m.
Also ring the alarm at 9:50 a.m. See here, I'll pause this video until 9:50, and there are 2 more minutes. So at 9:50, asked Google Assistant to remember something, and also I asked Google Assistant to ring my phone at that time. Let us see how it works. Yeah, observe here. See, observe here. As soon as the time became 9:50, there is a notification here. Attend online class. So I'll just mark as completed, and I'll off this alarm. Stop. See here, in this beautiful way, you can make use of it. And remember, alarm can be set only up to 24 hours, but you can keep the task something like to remember. Ask Google Assistant to remember a task in your day or in a week or a month. So it is very useful, and you can also call someone by asking Google Assistant with their name in the contact list. If you want to watch that tutorial, I'll keep the link in the description. You can go through it. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.